Here it is, my Bridge device. The first thing I notice is how small and sleek it is. I can put it in the back of my desk or tuck it right behind my desk phone. Very inconspicuous, very chic. Okay, let's set it up. I thought this would be hard, but it looks really easy. I just connect the device to my desk phone, set up a display for captions, and that's it, I'm good to go. Now I'm gonna make my first call to a colleague in one of our other offices.
Becky, it's great to hear from you. How are you calling me?
I'm using a new product, it's called Bridge. It gives me fast, accurate captions that let me read every word that you're saying.
That's amazing. While I have you, can we talk through that report?
Ooh, can't right now. I'm filming a demo video. One of my favorite things about Bridge is that you can get the call audio stream directly to your personal hearing devices. No more trying to use a clunky headset. I can listen right on my cochlear implants. It makes calls much easier. Check out Bridge today.